Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to model a plastic stool in the FreeCAD. I actually modeled the same stool in the SolidWorks before. The link is in the description if you want to compare. At first I tried to follow the SolidWorks workflow here. But when I tried to add a shell for this body and use the thickness tool in the FreeCAD, it kept failing. But I still try to use the thickness tool to create the shell. But it makes the rest of steps slow and fragile. So I found a much easier and reliable method for the FreeCAD. In this video, I'll walk you through that step by step. Let's get started. Create a new body, then create a new sketch on the XY plane. Next, draw a rectangle. Here, let's select the centered rectangle and draw it on the origin. Then right-click to exist and press the D key, go to dimension, set the length to 420. Then select these two lines and make them to be equal. Then close the sketch. And go to pad. Then set the length to 430. Here we need to add a temper angle. Set it to 4 and make it negative to reverse the direction. Then close it. Next, we are going to cut the body on the corners. And we use the subtractive pipe. So let's create a new sketch on the top face. Then go to the projection and make these two lines as a reference. Then draw a rectangle. And next, make these two lines be equal. Then add a distance, set it to 40. Then close the sketch. Now we are going to add a sketch for the path. Create a new sketch on this face. Then create a reference, select this edge. Now let's draw a line on it. And let's go to dimension. And set the distance between these 2 points to 6. This is the thickness of the stool. Now close the sketch and select the first one and go to subtractive pipe. Now check object and select the path. OK. Then select the feature and go to circular pattern. Keep the other options and modify the quantities to 4. Then click OK to finish it. After that, we are going to add a fillet on the body. Go to fillet, select the top face and set the radius to 30. Then click OK. Let's add a fillet again and select the edges. For this, you can zoom in to select and set the radius to 15. Okay, let's continue to select the other edges. It's good. Let's click OK to finish it. Next, we are going to add a fillet on this edge. Select the middle edge for this one. If you don't select right, then delete it and do it again. And set the radius to 15. Here, let's show the final result to preview. Because the fillet is easy to fill in the FreeCAD. Now let's continue to add other edges. Okay, finish it. And next, add a fillet again. Select this edge. Let's add other 3 edges. And set the radius to 20. Give it a try. Let's go to the top view to review it. Not bad. Then click OK. Next, if we follow the workflow in the SolidWorks, then we are going to add a shell for this body. Let's select this face and try the thickness tool. There is a failure. It says failed to make a thick solid. You can click OK to try again, but it cannot. So next, I will show you how to make a thickness using the Boolean tool. Before the next step, let's save the file and name the file, save it. Here I just replace the former one. Select this body and clone it to copy a parametric body. Then let's hide the first one. Next, we need to make this body smaller to cut the first one. So select this body and exchange the workbench from part design to part. Then go to scale and select the non-uniform scaling. That we can modify the x and the y factors in the 2 directions. Now we need to calculate the scale. The width of this stool is 420 and the thickness is 6, so let's subtract 12 and then divide 420. This is the scale that we need. Then input the scale into the x and the y factor. Then click OK to finish it. Then we can measure the width of the stool to check the scale. Select this edge and press the Ctrl key to select another. The distance is closer to what we need. Let's close the measure. And show the first body. Then select the scale, the second body, and go to the placement. Now let's make the second body to go down 6 mm in the Z direction. Then select these 2 bodies and go to the Boolean cut. Now we get the shell of this stool. Next, we are going to cut the shape of the legs. So go back to the part design workbench. Next, create a new body and drag the shell to the active body. Then we can create a sketch to cut shape on it. create a sketch on the XZ plane and go to section view. Let's check the reference line here and draw the line. We can change to the polyline to make it more efficiently. Let's make the left and the right to be symmetrical. Select these 2 points and make them to be symmetrical, and do the same on these 2. Now let's add dimension. Set the length to 260 and the height to 360. Then let's add an angle between these 2 lines. Set it to 86. Now let's change the geometry line to be solid and draw the profile of the cut. Then add dimensions. Set this height to 80 and the distance between these 2 lines to be 50. Now close the sketch. Then go to Pocket. Here we can set the length to 230. Give it a try. Make sure that cut through. Then click OK, finish it. Next, we are going to make this shape to other 3 corners. Select the pocket and go to circular pattern. Here, let's select the Z-axis and set the quantities to 4. Check before finish it. OK. Next, we are going to add a fillet on these corners. Make sure select all the 6 edges and modify the radius to 25. Let's go to the real view to check it. Then click OK. Next, select the fillet and go to circular pattern. And modify the quantities to 4. Then click OK to finish the fillet. Then we are going to add a fillet on the bottom. Select the edges and modify the radius to 15. In the FreeCAD, we try not to use the pattern too much. It needs much calculation for the computer. So let's do it immediately. Select all the edges. Then we can fit all to preview it. OK. For the last, we are going to add holes on the top. Select this face and create a sketch on it. Then draw a circle on it. And add dimensions. Set the diameter to 25. And the horizontal and the vertical distance both to 100. Then close the sketch and go to Pocket. And set the length to 8. Just make sure greater than 6. Then click OK to finish it. Now select the pocket and go to linear pattern. And modify the mode to spacing. And set the spacing to 15, the quantities to 5. Then check the second direction and do the same for the options. Here, select it to reverse the direction. Then click OK to finish it. Alright, that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you for your watching, and I'll see you in the next one.